My name is Ryan Bassel, and this is my TC. What we're doing today is we're reviewing this HIKEit X9 throttle controller. This is the piece right here, and I'll be showing you how to install it and also how it works. All right, here's an example of me revving the car without the HIKEit X9 installed. And here's what it sounds like once I install it. Now when you first open the box, you're gonna find this in there. Basically the simple installation instructions. All right, once you've installed it, they give you some zip ties. You're gonna wanna zip tie it up, keep it up nice and neat, and then route this wire. What I will do, is I'm gonna route it right up through here. Can't really see, but there's a little gap right in between there. Yeah, right in there. You just route the wire right through there, and then feed it up through here, keep it over here, tape it down, and that's it. All right, now when you find the right spot for it, you're gonna take this, and you're gonna take the alcohol wipe, and prep the surface. I'm gonna just wipe it down real good. Doesn't give me perfect. Then obviously you can take the tape off, stick it on, that's it. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm placing it before plugging in the wire. So I got the right spot, I took the tape back off. I'm just get it, stick it right there. And that's it. You got yourself a HIKEit controller. So obviously you're gonna plug this in, push this right in there, and it's all installed, and I'll show you the different modes in a second. All right, now that it's installed and the wire's kind of tucked away, you can feel free to turn your car on. It's gonna normally pop up with this first. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click mode to whichever one you want. Okay, so here's how you use the modes. Obviously there's a mode button here. There's a arrow pointing down and an arrow pointing up, obviously changing the intensity. So it's at 8 right now. Put it up, it's at 9, changes the intensity. And down. Now you can change mode. This is automatic mode, eco mode, obviously off. Okay, so if you look in the manual, it says right here on function, you've got 8 functions. First one is cruise, sport, HIKEit racing mode, auto mode, which is pretty cool because it'll adapt to how you drive and change the intensity of the throttle response over time. You've also got original vehicle mode, which is basically off, 4x4 mode, and economy mode, overtake mode, and anti-theft mode. All right, so I just finished cleaning up all the rest of the wires. Here's what it looks like. So as you can see, there's the wiring harness right there, right up here. What I did is I unhooked the plug right here, and I actually wrapped it around this black tube or wiring. So I have that hanging up here so it isn't falling down. And then I zip tied here. I zip tied this to this wire up there, so this part won't hang down. And then I zip tied right here and right here. You also might want to have a pair of pliers handy. All right, and once you're done installing, they give you some nice little stickers. HIKEit right there. Give you a nice little shot around the car. All right, another thing I installed on my car, I've got these nice LED third taillights, and obviously the Spec Ds. I also went in and custom soldered these brake flashing modules. Some more things coming for the car. I've got a custom diffuser I'm making, which will be going out on my website soon. I don't know if you've seen these BMWs. They've got these side mirrors with like this kind of like spoke coming out like that. I'll be making some of those, put them on the website as well. Just keep posted, man. Anyways, that's it. That's my car. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram. I got a SoundCloud. I'll be posting a lot more stuff. Definitely a lot more stuff for the car coming soon. We got some bags. I got a turbo system coming soon. A lot of new stuff no one's seen for TCs, so I think y'all be interested.